Hey folks, Mr. Zen1010. I'm standing down here in the parking lot, and I saw an Alfred Hitchcock movie one time called The Birds. And I tell you something, if all of these guys here, all of these birds decided that they wanted to take a piece of me, I'm afraid I would have a lot of little peck marks all over me. Now, what is it about these birds? What do you all want? Do you want some kind of meat or what? What are you trying to do? I ain't got a thing you can eat here, but this just goes to show you that this is, we live in a very bizarre world. Here I am in the parking lot, and I'm being followed by some 100 birds. What do you think it is? If I got a smell, or do they think I've got some kind of peanut, or maybe even a small fish in my pocket? And then here comes a car that's got to come right in the middle of a major film production. Zen1010, goodbye for now. But hey, if you hear about a bird attack in South Florida, you'll know it's true. Hey, son, come here with that doggone. Here's one here that's got a message attached to his back. And I believe this is the one last year that followed me home, and I had to feed this bird a chicken tender. That's exactly what happened. See you later, Zenten1010. Bye-bye.